Hi, I'm Chuck Lofton. Well, the storms that we had early this morning now gone, and even though we'll see a significant warm up and humidity creeping in, still not ruling out another isolated shower or thunderstorm today, but no cooling in our 7-day forecast. Since midnight, Muncie picked up about 1/3 of an inch of rain, with Bunker Hill and Peru at about 1/4 of an inch. Now, for those of you sneezing, I'm afraid our weather's not going to get very much better for the tree pollen. Still in the high category, as you can see, all the way until Friday around here. This is our future track, and as we go through the day again, we'll see a good deal of sun, but in that heat, a thunderstorm could pop up in really the same scenario for tomorrow. Today, we're looking for 82 degrees for a high. That's 13 degrees above the average. Tonight, down to 62. Some isolated showers or thunderstorms in the afternoon tomorrow. Thursday, 84. Friday, 85. For the Grand Prix, a high of 85. More details throughout the day on WTHR and WTHR.com.